bakla. Ito ba yon? Size large to, bebe. Moot. Size large, brand new with tag. Ang ganda nito. Okay. Large on tag, button down. Very on the go din, mga madam, ha? Code is OTG, brand new pa, size 12 on tag. OTG, 380 lang. OTG for 380 pesos. Code is OTG. Okay, next one. Ay, shucks, ang ganda. Ito with inner lining na to. Branded by Pimki, mga madam. Super pretty. Small, semi-mid, mga madam. Okay, code ako Royal, 380. Royal for 380, small mid. Shaira, ang daming small. Diyos ko, dying. Anong kailangan mong small? Napakadaming small. May Zara. Ay, ang ganda nito. Ay, ganda. Oh, speaking of, extra small to small pa-pop sleeves. Tapos square neck, ang ganda nung kulay, parang nude something. Extra small to small pa-puff, zipper back, code is square. Small lang talaga. Code square, parang Pilipiniana. Square for 380 pesos. Square. Shaira, imain mo to. Ramper, extra small, padded, zipper back, adjustable strap, brand new by Doti. Kaya lang, 580, bebe. Okay, ramper kasi, with side pockets, tapos makapal na linen yung tela. Okay. Alin ang size 12, ma? Madam Aki. Sinasabi ko, makinig kayo mabuti sa sizes, mga miha. Okay, ito, branded by Only, best fit medium, mga madam, ha, with patali. Small, medium, button down siya, double lining naman siya, ha, pop sleeves, tapos may belt sa likod. Okay, code po ako dito, mustard. Mustard, 380. Mustard for 380 pesos. Square, Elaine, yours na si Square. Elaine, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, Square, yours na to. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, next, another extra small to small, brand new by QED London. Super duper pretty. Side zipper siya. Para around pero fixed to, ha. Brand new by QED London. Ay, Mela London, sorry. Extra small to small. Code is London, 380. Extra small to small. Code is London. This one, branded by Pomelo, medium, sexy nito, mga bakla. Small, medium, medyo mababa din yung neckline nito. Ang pwede nyo gawin dito, mag-tube or lagyan nyo ng clip. Pero pa-pop sleeves yan, super ganda ng tela. Garter yung dulo ng sleeves, and then zipper back. A-line ata to. Zipper back, mga madam, code is, ganda. Code ako Pomelo, medium on tag. Pomelo, 380. Anong how much, mga madam? Hala, Macy, kunin mo to, Macy. Alam mo yan. Okay, this one is branded by Faithful the brand. Small, medium, bebe. Macy, cotton linen to. Tapos yung sexy. Code ako sexy. Full back tong buong ano niya, ha. Code is sexy. Linen yung tela. Code ng sexy for 380 lang. Branded by Faithful the brand. Hanggang medium, bebe. Okay, full smack to, ha. Maliit. Ano ka ba? Akala ko extra small to small ka, be. Pomelo. Macy, yours na si Pomelo, tsaka si Sexy. Macy, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then, Macy, si Sexy. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Yours na to si Sexy.